give you my argument about why being rational all the time is killing us just a little bit. There's this concept introduced by Friedrich Nietzsche on Apollo and Dionysus. Apollo and Dionysus are both sons of Zeus. Apollo is the god of reason, the rational, the form, the order, the clarity and precision. On the other hand, Dionysus is the god of chaos. He represents the irrational, the emotions, the instinct and the passion. In fact, he represents the ecstatic and messy parts of being a human. Each of us is a product of both. Nietzsche argues that the great human expression, especially art, comes from the tension between these two forces, not from choosing one or the other. But in our quest to be the most civilized versions of ourselves, we forgot that Dionysus exists in all of us. Now, do I believe that we got rid of Dionysus? Of course not. Nietzsche is very clear that we cannot completely get rid of Dionysus. We can repress it, however, we cannot completely eradicate it. And it always comes back in some form or the other, and sometimes even in unhealthy forms. Nietzsche talks about Socrates as a cultural shift where we became deeply obsessed with reasoning and logic and the belief that everything we know could be understood and explained and fixed through rationality and logic alone. In that regard, we forgot about art and instinct and embodied emotion and treated it as something suspicious and something to be controlled. This is how I see it personally. Nowadays, Dionysus feels like something that we have to earn, something that is very distant from us and something that we have to keep chasing. And for many people, the only way they can imagine this level of freedom to be chaotic or intensity is through money, by excess conception and or escape. But too much Dionysus giving in fully into our impulse is also a problem. Walter Otto says how Dionysus is both the embodiment of fullness of life and the violence of death. So to completely give in to Dionysus is a problem. But however, giving in completely to Apollo, the pure rationality and pure order, can leave our life feeling very dry and rigid and hollow. There would not be a day where you have to completely choose one and feel fulfilled. You always have to remember that you are a product of both. For me, engaging in art is where the balance lives. Dionysus is the madness, the raw, unfiltered impulse to create, while Apollo is what gives it form. A modern day example of this would be, do not let AI give structure and write out your thoughts for you. Instead, if it is absolutely necessary, use it as a supplementary tool. Let your Dionysus run wild once in a while, and whatever comes out, let it be art, writing or creativity, then shape it using the Apollo way.